Now let's discuss about the what is MTU. So first up, let's talk about the MTU, which stand for maximum transmission unit. So think of MTU is a maximum size of package that can be sent over a network. Just like when you are sending a package through mail, so there is a limit how long, uh, how big the box can be. So same way for network packets, like MTU is the limit on how much data can be packed into single packets, and that's get sent over the network. So for example, quick example, like imagine you are sending a big file over the internet, and your file will be split into small chunks called packets. So to travel through the network, the MTU is maximum size of this chunk. So if your MTU is too large for network segmentation, then packet might need to be broken down further. So which can be slow the things down. So the standard MTU size of many network is 1500 bytes. Okay, so here we can see like there is a one big file for us, 10,000 bytes, so which need to be divided into some small of packet, like packet 1, packet 2, packet 3, and packet n. Okay, so each packet has a maximum size defined by the MTU. So each packet consistency of header and data of chunk. Okay, and the size of data chunk into each packet is determined by the MTU minus the size of header. Okay, so here is the diagram, like for example the data packet, right? So in data packet, uh, we there is MTU limit like 1500 bytes. So uh, the MTU will value will be exceed. So what will happen? It will convert into fragmented packet 1, and for exceed MTU, it will convert into fragmented packet 2. So here we see, right, fragmented packet 1, packet 2, packet 3, and packet home. So this is the real world scenario example when the when we are sending a big file over the internet, or transferring the big file over the internet.